What's up, you guys? We're back. Check it out. We got the Miata out today. Parked it back here so we could see the dirt in the sunlight. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Terrible, you know. Not too bad. But then, you know, she always leaks in here when we go to the car wash and stuff, so I brought a towel. As you can tell, I already got my caffeine in there. So, you know, we a little hyped already. We got the Z in the back. She's pretty clean. Let's go see her for a second. Super clean. Guys, I'm ordering side skirts either tonight or tomorrow night. So let me know down in the comments which side skirts I should get. I've been thinking I don't know how to say it, Vicres. They make side skirts for the 350Z, so I was thinking about getting those, but I'm not quite sure, so, you know, we'll see. Dang, it would look good though. Other than that, Miata needs some mods too. We gotta put some wheels on this thing because, as you can tell, we got hubcaps, and, you know, hubcaps aren't too bad, but definitely nothing sporty or performance oriented about them, so, you know. That's what it is. But we're gonna go take this thing to the car wash. And the coolest thing about this car wash is I've actually never been to it before, so we're gonna head over there right now. I actually took the 350Z. I don't know if you guys remember watching it. I posted the video probably like 10 or 15 videos ago. But we took the 350Z over there, in the track that you drive up on to the car wash. The Z couldn't fit on it because it's too low, so the Miata will for sure fit. I'm super excited to go wash this car because, you know, I'm just excited to use that car wash in general. But I do know for a fact that the Miata leaks right here pretty badly, and then up along here. Basically anywhere where, you know, the window and the door seals with the roof, it's just not a very good seal. So I brought a towel right here just in case if it does get just terribly wet in here, like it starts raining, we'll be able to like pull the towels and stuff just to keep, you know, the transmission from getting soaked and stuff like that. But it's really not that bad, maybe just a few drops. But passenger side is soaked. Mayday, mayday. I'm gonna stop talking. The caffeine is hitting well. Let's do this. As you can tell, we're still extremely low on gas, so we're gonna go put some gas in this thing right now. You know, gotta refuel. It's actually really funny, when I got this Miata, I thought having two cars, I was actually gonna save gas by just switching off between the two. And I'm not even gonna lie to you, having two cars, I seriously burn like twice the gas. So, you know, it is what it is. It's a red light, you already know what we gotta do. Turn the AC off, maximum power. We out. Yes. Home sweet home. Good old Shell. We don't go anywhere else. $325 for regular, $355 for premium. It's still expensive, man, even for off season. It's insane. It's gonna be December, what, tomorrow? Made it. Honestly really excited to go use this car wash because it's been open for like 6 months now and I've never been. My dad's actually been a few times in the Maserati and he says it is awesome. I don't know if it's touchless though, so we're gonna have to go and find out. Both my cars have terrible paint and his car has a clear bra on it, so it's not like, you know, touchless matters or not. So we're gonna go check it out though. Luckily, filling the Miata is like seriously like $25 is amazing. Filling the Z is like 70 bucks, so it's kind of nice to drive this thing every now and then. It should be done any second now. Oh, 26. Oh, there it is.
A little bit less than minor.
Yeah. Awesome. Of course. Cutie boys. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't get the whole conversation, but it attracts the ladies, boys. It does. It does. I thought the Z was gonna get the ladies because it looks all cool and smooth and, you know, dangerous. Nah, this thing, I'll show you. She said, you know what it was? It was the pop-up headlights for her. She said she was looking all over the internet and could not find a Miata in good condition. And she asked if it was like totally beat up when I found it. And I told her I got like super lucky on eBay and found it with pretty low miles. So that's just proof, you guys, you gotta look. You gotta like seriously just spend, like, don't just buy the first one you find because there are some gnarly ones out there. So you just gotta keep looking. You'll find it. You'll find the one. I got super lucky. Literally, the guy had posted this car like 45 minutes before I saw it. So it's all about timing. You just gotta be there when it happens. So partially is luck, but you gotta allow that luck to happen, you know? It's not like, you know, Craigslist is gonna throw an ad in front of you randomly or something. I mean, they might. That would be some serious luck though. All right, to the car wash we go. I'm super excited. We're full on gas, you guys, straight up full. Shoot, it's this one. Oh God, holding on tight. All right, so the car wash should be right in here. All right, let's do it, let's do it. Look at, we got a little drive through. Do they take card? We'll find out right now. Hi.
Have you been through this wash before?
No.
And then do the headlights retracted?
Yes.
Awesome.
Cool.
The vacuums come with every wash. You don't have to pay extra. It is a self-service.
Okay.
But everything in the tunnel's automatic.
Okay, awesome. Thank you. We got it. Yo. This is pretty intense, you guys. All right, oh, it's taking us, it's taking us. Clean, protect and shine. Oh, dang. Oh man, please. I really hope this thing seals well. Oh my gosh, okay. But I think we're good. I mean, oh, this thing. Like making sure the window's up. Okay, here we go, the water. Oh no, water. Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. Driver's side's okay, passenger side is soaked. Mayday, mayday. Oh. We made it. Oh, back here, it's standing water. All right, and we just roll up to one of these. All the shaded ones are taken. Sweet. This works. So do these just, I don't see any like coin machine. She said it comes with a wash, so maybe they're just already sucking. Let's go find out. Why do I have a feeling this thing is like cleaner than it's ever been in its entire life? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. All right, I'm gonna jump out. Let's check it out. Oh my gosh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So clean. Dang, okay, how does this work? You just grab it? Oh my gosh. Dang, you guys, look at how clean. Sheesh. What I will say is my mirrors are a little cockeyed now, so I gotta fix those, but it's not too bad. This side got pretty mangled, look. Yo. All right, I mean, look at the ground. That's the plus, that's just free. I mean, I would highly recommend if your car's not extremely lowered like the Z and it's, you know, pretty normal height like this one, they'll actually measure it. I don't know if you heard the lady at the beginning, she was measuring the car just to make sure it would fit. We're gonna go out this way actually because we're gonna get an awesome picture for a thumbnail. No, we can't do that, we can't do that. It's actually closed. We can't do that. Gotta go this way. Whew. Whew. All right, guys, all done. We're headed out. Super clean. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Obviously, we have to do a super deep clean of the Miata where we take the seats out and get underneath the seats and everything because I guarantee you in 30 years, the seats have never been taken out of this car. So we gotta do that, hopefully without breaking any bolts. Definitely look for that in a future video. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys have anything specific you'd like to see from me, and I would love to make it. And we still have to race the Z and the Miata. I'm still looking for someone to drive the Miata, or at least have some time. My dad is so busy all the time, and so he's like the only other person I know that can drive manual. So I have to teach my brother to drive manual. If you guys are actually interested, my brother is literally the coolest person I know. I'm gonna be teaching him to drive a Miata here soon, or he's gonna be driving the Miata, and I'm gonna be watching him learn how to do it. It's gonna be hilarious. If you guys are interested in that, go ahead and drop a comment down below, and definitely hit the subscribe because we're gonna be posting that video very soon. I'm super excited. Thank you guys so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment down below if you have any questions, and if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe and turn the notifications on so you don't miss any of my future uploads. I'd really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.